Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we have another unboxing, again from Kendama, USA. I've actually been wanting this one a lot because it's the only craft I'm missing. I ordered it actually just the other day. It shipped out Tuesday and got here Thursday, so it's pretty fast. But yeah, I had one of these before, but I gave it to a friend, so I had to get a new one. Like always, there's the craft. It's like a note. It lets you know about the crafts. Just talking about the shape and the risks of playing with it and how it can crack. Like always, the stickers. These are the new craft stickers. They feel like wood. They're actually pretty cool. There's little craft like shapes, and then like always the two crafts and the red and white sticker, and then in the drawstring bag maple slim. Let's see. So it comes with a 4.5 finger string. Has the burn lines, and also, if you didn't know, they took out the burns on the bottom cup because they were chipping easy. Like all the other crafts were chipping easy because of the burn lines, so they took them off, and that's what fixed it. I love this slim shape a lot. It's like a new feel, like, cause there's the 2.0s, they just feel like a bulkier Kaizen, but these are like have a whole new feel. I like them a lot for slingers and birds. That's what I use my other slim for. But yeah, so like I said, this one's maple. I have the ash one. Oh, it's right here. If you look, this one's ash and this one's maple. You can tell just by the way it looks. But I put this one together with the Sleigh Mod Tama. It's really nice though. Like you can tell, like just by in your hands, like that the crafts are made. It feels like with like a lot more care. Than like just the normal Kaizens. Like, don't get me wrong, the normal Kaizens, they'll always be my favorite dominoes. Like, I have a bunch of normal Kaizens, like 6 2.0s. Kaizens, my favorite shape. But these ones, they're really nice, and the tracking lines help so much. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Actually, real quick, I'll put up. I'll show you all my crafts. There's all of them. This one's the Plus. This one's the Ash 2.0, the Maple 2.0, the Maple Slim, and the Ash Slim. Alright, let me know what you guys think of the video. Just like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll have another unboxing or edit soon.